Each year, over 600,000 people die from heart disease in the U.S., making it the #1 cause of death among Americans. So, how can the American Heart Association raise awareness about this and promote healthy hearts? Well, science shows that physical touching with a love interest releases oxytocin, a hormone that protects the heart by lowering blood pressure, reducing anxiety, and boosting the immune system. So this Valentine's Day, the American Heart Association is teaming up with 1-800-Flowers and Godiva in an effort to get daters to have the most exciting dates imaginable. Why? Because excitement leads to stronger connections, which leads to more touching. By utilizing the popular dating site How About We, hopeful singles and existing couples alike can take part in the most epic dating adventure. All it takes is a $1 donation to register. Users can then choose from a variety of awesome date suggestions or create their own. On Valentine's Day, we'll give participants Nike Fuel bands for their date and have them embark on what promises to be a night for the ages. The more exciting the date, the higher the heart rate should be. We'll track this and give a score to couples at the end. Want to win? Then better make that date epic and have lots of touching. By documenting the dates on various social media and hashtagging Touch for the Heart, daters can score bonus points. Friends can also follow along, comment, share, and boost scores even higher with an additional $1 donation of their own in their dater's name. Both Godiva and 1-800-Flowers will give top performers romantic gifts galore and make a hefty donation to the American Heart Association. So this Valentine's Day, let's put an end to boring dates and do something that's going to help the lives and the love lives of people everywhere.